this episode, we explore Connected House, a deeply personal architectural experiment located in Melbourne, Australia. Designed by architect Albert Mo as his own family residence, the project reflects more than 15 years of careful observation, reflection, and evolving design philosophy. The home is a balance of preservation and transformation, an extension that redefines daily living while honoring the 1950s mid-century structure it grew from. At first glance, the house maintains a quiet respect for its historic surroundings in Studley Park, a neighborhood known for its rich modernist lineage. The original paint colors and brickwork were meticulously restored, ensuring that the public-facing facade remains untouched. The new extension, intentionally discreet, hides from street view. Its presence only reveals itself gradually, creating a sequence in which guests experience the unfolding architecture from the inside out. The steep site posed considerable challenges, demanding precise terracing and careful interventions to connect the home with its expansive backyard. To minimize earthwork, the extension adheres strictly to the structural layout of the original home. Every room, connection, and alignment was resolved within the modest framework of the post-war building. The result is a new upper level that sits perfectly within the original footprint, preserving the home's proportional rhythm. One of the most defining features of the project is the drawbridge, a remarkable engineering effort completed a year after construction. Achieving its functionality required an aerospace engineer, a daring metal fabricator, a patient builder, and an architect willing to persevere through repeated prototypes. After multiple attempts and adjustments, the mechanism finally came to life, symbolizing the collaborative precision that shaped the entire house. Designed as a home to be passed down through generations, sustainability plays a central role. The former gas-reliant, lightly insulated structure has been transformed into an all-electric, energy-conscious residence supported by a significant solar array. New double glazing, upgraded insulation, and an almost entirely native garden ensured durability and reduced environmental impact. Every material was chosen for low maintenance, longevity, and local sourcing, strengthening the home's connection to place. Ultimately, Connected House is a reflection of intimate site knowledge and the rhythms of family life. Its layout responds directly to the way the occupants live, where the morning light enters, where someone reads by the fire, and where everyday objects naturally come to rest. In its thoughtful integration of old and new, architecture and landscape, memory and innovation, the home stands as a testament to the power of design to evolve with its inhabitants. It is not just a building, but a living framework for generations to come.